Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install CCleaner in your computer in a very simple way. CCleaner cleans junk files, browser cache, and registry to speed up your computer PC. So for that, it's very important. You can simply open up any of your browser, and then here you can simply search for CCleaner. Here it is. And then you're going to get a CCleaner.com website. Click on that, and then after you have to click free download, and then click on download. Click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to set up, click yes for the permission, and minimize all the background tab. Click on install, click yes for the permission, click continue, and you can simply set the theme as you want. Click accept, continue with free, and you can simply now start the scanning. So right now I don't need it. So this is how we can simply download and install CCleaner in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.